for which I would like to thank you in the sense that I came to Kashmir and we had a press conference in Jammu as well. Sometimes you waited a while, but thank you so much. So as you know that the 8th phase has concluded today. We had successful phase 8, incident free, some minor thing here and there, nothing that has impacted the election. Now today's turnout overall has been 50.98% for Jammu and Kashmir.
50.98.
50.98%, yes. In Jammu division, the overall has gone to 72.71%. 71%. And in Kashmir, it's touching 30%, exactly 29.91%. Yeah. A total of 3,21,694 voters came out today to vote. A total of 3,21,694 वोटर्स आज वोट डालने के लिए आए. उसमें जम्मू प्रोविंस में 2,25,828 थे और कश्मीर में 10 जिलों में 95,866. सब मिला के 1,52,423 महिलाओं ने वोट डाले और 1,69,271 मर्दों ने वोट डाले. So all over Jammu and Kashmir, a large number of voters, as I said, 3,21,690 voters have come out of their homes to cast vote. The weather has been generally good. Still, Kashmir is freezing. There have been -0 temperature also at some places, but people came in the morning. Voting was from 7 to 2, but in some of the places it continued after 2 o'clock also, as the voters were standing in the queues. In Kashmir province, today सबसे ज़्यादा वोटिंग कुपवारा में हुई, वो है 63.8%. उसके बाद बांडीपुरा में हुई 56.5%. बारामूला उसके बाद है 44.6%. उसके बाद है बड़गांव 35.1%. कुलगांव 11.2% और अनंतनाग में आज रही 8.6, शोपियां 8.58, पुलवामा में 8.50. जम्मू प्रोविंस में सबसे ज़्यादा पोलिंग पुंछ में हुई 83.58, रियासी में 81.9, राजौरी में 77, कठुआ 73, सांबा 73 पॉइंट समथिंग, किश्तवाड़ 73, रामबन also 73, and the least was in Udhumpur, which itself is 60.49%. So the exact figures of this turnout for the District Development Council elections we will share with you. I will not read the figures more, but you will have all the figures. So with that, we have come to the end of 280 constituencies, the District Development Council constituencies. As also today was the election in 28 constituencies, 13 in Kashmir and 15 in Jammu division. The candidates and all who participated we have shared with you yesterday, and I will not like to repeat that. Now today we also had elections for the vacant seats of Sarpanchas and also the Panchas. The election has got concluded there as well, and their polling percentages we will share with all of you tomorrow. Before I go to the elections in general, how they went, I just would like to mention that we didn't have any significant incidents. However, there are few polling stations where there were some attempts where some small instance of intimidation, few ballot papers having been torn in one of the polling stations, and the State Commission we decided and we have ordered re-polling in these polling stations. During the course of the day we had issued a small press release, and you must have already received that.
At how many places the repolling will take place?
In Punch, it's going to take place in 8 polling stations. However, in 4 polling stations, Poshana, there it already happened today. It was tied up with the 8th phase. Poshana, it became necessary to have the repoll because it's a village where the voters migrate from there and they go to the lower areas every winter. So the complaints that we received were that the last moment polling stations had been changed, and therefore quite a few people who wanted to come for vote did not get an opportunity to vote. Now it could be either way. However, to give a fair opportunity, we ordered the repoll, and that happened today. Now, in addition to that, we had 1 or 2 more requests which we considered, and that we have not agreed because we found that वहाँ पर इलेक्शन ठीक हुई है, और जहाँ पर ऑर्डर करी है अभी वो हमारी प्रेस रिलीज देख लीजिए, लेकिन मैं आपको यहाँ मेंशन कर देता हूँ नाम जिसमें रीपोल ऑर्डर हुआ है. एक है ये पीएच हाजमा डीडीसी मैंडर ए में है, वहाँ पर रीपोल होगी. दूसरा पोलिंग स्टेशन है मिडिल स्कूल शकी मैदान, और जीएमएस गर्ल्स मिडिल स्कूल शकी मैदान होगा, यहाँ पर भी रीपोल होगी. और एमएस मिडिल स्कूल गलियाँ हैं मेंडर ए में, वहाँ पर भी रीपोल होगा. शोपिया में बालपोरा में रीपोल होगी ऑल्सो. और जो गुरुरा के कंप्लेंट थे वो कल हमने डिस्कस किए थे, उसके बारे में डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन प्रोवाइड करी गई हैं. District administration provided more clarifications in continuation of our press conference yesterday, and my impression is that now the contesting candidates as well as the political parties seem to be accepting that the election has gone on fairly. We have also said that this election process provides for an appeal, and therefore if any contesting candidate still has a doubt, they have right to take recourse to law and thereafter bring an appeal. And in that appeal, all the material, the CCTV coverage, the videography is placed before the authority that decides the appeal. Therefore, the contesting candidates get an opportunity to see that whatever was mentioned by the commission and also by the district panchayat election